Project-based learning. Project-based learning, PBL, is a teaching methodology that focuses on giving students real-world experiences and engaging them in problem-solving through the completion of projects. PBL allows students to acquire knowledge and skills through a practical, hands-on approach, rather than relying on memorization of facts and figures. One of the primary benefits of PBL is that it promotes critical thinking skills. Instead of being passive learners, students become active participants in their education. They are given a problem or challenge to solve, and they must work collaboratively to find a solution. This process helps to develop their problem-solving skills, as well as their ability to think critically and creatively. Another benefit of PBL is that it helps students develop important life skills. Throughout the project, students are required to work in teams, communicate effectively, manage their time, and take responsibility for their work. These are all skills that will be essential for success in both their personal and professional lives. PBL is also an effective way to engage students who may struggle with traditional classroom instruction. By providing hands-on experiences and allowing students to work on projects that are meaningful and relevant to their lives, they are more likely to be motivated and invested in their learning. However, implementing PBL can be challenging for teachers. It requires careful planning and preparation, as well as ongoing support and guidance throughout the project. Teachers must also be willing to relinquish some control over the learning process and allow students to take the lead. Despite these challenges, the benefits of PBL make it a valuable teaching methodology that should be incorporated into classrooms whenever possible. It allows students to develop important skills that will serve them well in their future careers and personal lives. Moreover, it fosters a love of learning by making education engaging, relevant, and fun. As such, PBL represents an exciting and innovative approach to education that has the potential to transform the way we think about teaching and learning. Bonus: get updates on educational opportunities, scholarships, internships, research, project funding, grant, and related for academic and professional development. Visit us on www.scholarshipslists.com. Project-based